Well, I think to be effective in facilitating these types of collaborations, you really need to acknowledge the importance of the disciplines first. You know, you can't just simply say disciplines are bad. I mean, you're going to make a lot of enemies that way. And the approach that he advocated was, well, first I'll step back. He said that the problem really originated in the 19th century, that the idea of the two cultures of the sciences and humanities that Roger Molina was discussing, C.P. Snow felt that a lot of that was because people in the humanities simply were not educating themselves enough about science. Whereas Fuller claims that he argued with C.P. Snow about this, and that he claimed that it was actually after the discovery of the electromagnetic field that mathematics became increasingly abstract and that it could not be experienced. So Fuller claims that his entire approach that he developed, that he calls energetic synergetic geometry, it's basically kind of spherical trigonometry that is the foundation of the geodesic domes, that this approach that he developed towards model building was really important for bridging those disciplines. Because what it does is once you start building the models and you start understanding fundamental structure and form and concepts of synergy and integrity, that you start to see these patterns in all of these different disciplines across all of these different scales. So it's a way into thinking in this way that isn't purely conceptual. It's not abstract. It's very physical. And when you are experiencing that yourself, it provides, I think, a very important connection to why the patterns and the principles that disciplines, the individual disciplines are trying to understand, are actually understandable through our own process of discovery.